Hey folks, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having a great day so far. So this is the third video, I believe, in this sustainable haul sort of series. And if you haven't watched the other two, I would highly recommend that you go and watch them just because I feel like in each one of these videos, I'm at a different place in my own journey. So I feel like we really touch on a lot of questions that you might have at the beginning of yours in the previous videos. So recently I filmed a declutter video for you guys where I decluttered my closet. I tried everything on. I tried to decide like what I was gonna keep, what I wasn't. And at the end of that video, I ended up left with a lot of things that I truly love. But now that I have like, you know, a very good amount of clothing in my closet, I'm very aware of what I'm missing. And a lot of those things ended up being like tops for filming, some things that I got rid of that didn't fit that I just wanted to replace, that kind of thing. The first place I thought of when I was looking for things specifically was Thredup, because I love that you can sort of categorize like what you're looking for. Like if I'm looking for a white dress, a white midi dress, I can specifically click white midi dress. So I would just like to take a moment and thank today's video sponsor, which is Thredup. I have said this before and I will say it again. It is so nice to work with a brand whose values align with your own. And I have to just spoil this and say this is the best Thredup haul I have ever done. So if you are a little unfamiliar with Thredup, Thredup is the world's largest online thrift store where you can get like a ton of your favorite brands for up to 90% off. Thredup has also provided me with a discount code for you guys. So if you guys would like to get 30% off your first Thredup order, you can just click the link in the down bar and use the code Tasha at checkout. So here's my box of stuff that I got. If you watch my thrift with me videos, you will know that I have been on the hunt for velvet anything forever. I just wanted to find some velvet stuff. So I ended up getting this crushed velvet skirt. I'm so happy. This is by H&M. Estimated retail price of this was $25 and I got this skirt for $8.99. Oh, I was so happy. I was so happy. So finally I have some crushed velvet in my wardrobe. I didn't think it would be that hard to find. I had been thrifting it for a while. I guess I should have just looked at Thredup like from the get-go. I don't know. The first thing I was looking at replacing was this white dress that I had decluttered from my declutter video that was just sort of, like it was nice, but it just wasn't what I wanted. The first thing I do every time I'm on Thredup is I type Spell. You guys know I love Spell. I'm currently wearing Spell. Spell is like my favorite brand of all time. They are also a sustainable brand, so like the two just go hand in hand. I always type in Spell just to see if they have anything, and there came a white cream midi dress. I was just like, today's my day. Guys, I found Spell on Thredup. Oh my gosh. I was just like shocked. Okay, also, sorry, I'm a little over. Brand new with tags. This is what I got, and yep, that's the one. This is replacing all of those white cream midis that I have that I do not love. I just am still in awe that I got Spell on Thredup. I could probably sit here and talk to you about it for another 5 minutes, but I won't. My boyfriend is already tired of hearing it. So the estimated retail price of this dress was $169 and the Thredup price was $135.99. Getting this on sale at all is like a dream, and it's brand new. It still has the tags attached. I just like, thank you Thredup. Thank you Thredup gods for looking over me. Something I was looking for was filming tops. It's something that I feel like I lack quite a lot of, just like different tops to put on when filming. I feel like I'm always wearing the same thing. Don't call me out for it in my videos, because I don't know, I just feel like I don't have like the cutest tops to wear in videos. So I found this one, which it's by Boho Me, which is amazing, and it's like this little like elasticy top. I was so stoked on this. I was like, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Really into like this tie-dye thing right now. I really want to start tie-dyeing my own stuff. Estimated retail price was $71 because it's Boho Me, and I got it for $16.99, and I just love it. That's all I gotta say. Next up is something that was actually on my thrift list. I have been looking for a tassel skirt forever, a brown one, and I found this. It's by Wrangler, so good brand name, which I was really stoked about. And I got this beautiful tassel skirt. It's going to look much better once I have it on my body. Estimated retail price was $27 and I got this for $10.99. I found the coolest pair of boots. Pardon me, my size, they're just amazing. Like, are you kidding me? These are the coolest boots I've ever seen. These are by the brand Wild Diva. They were estimated to cost $45 and I got them for $24.99. I need to get some cool photos in these. So don't forget, I have that 30% off code. You just click the link below, use the code Tasha at checkout, 30% off your first order. I hope you have as good of luck as I did. All right, so let's move on to some of the miscellaneous items that I have found over the last couple of months that have helped transition my life to be more sustainable. The first thing is actually courteous of my mom that she got for me. I have an allergy dog who is just allergic to everything. So I recently switched my detergent. So that's why you'll see this is the baby one because it's a lot more a lot more gentle on the skin. So when I wash like dog blankets and stuff like that. So this is by True Earth, and True Earth is a Canadian company. These are eco laundry detergent strips. In this whole packet, it does 32 loads. It is biodegradable, hypoallergenic. You just use one strip per load. So here are what the strips look like. So you would just fold that in half and break one off, and then you would put it in your washing machine. Okay, so I read on their website, it says if everyone switched to eco strips, we could eliminate 1 billion plastic jugs and save truck fuel and CO2 equivalent to taking 27 million cars off the road a day. What is so crazy to me, and like I know you're watching this, so I know that you care about these things, but it's so crazy to me that someone could come up with something like this where we no longer need to use plastic and people still decide to use plastic. I know it's a money thing. I know it's just companies and brands, they want to make money. Why wouldn't they want to make money? And people will buy it. Like, I get it. It's also a money thing with like the cost of living more sustainably. Like, I get it. I just think that it's crazy. Anywho, so if you guys would like to check out this company, I will link everything down below. I have enjoyed using these so far, and I would recommend them, so give them a shot. Okay, so something I didn't realize that I use a whole ton of are plastic little bags, and I mean sandwich bags, snack bags, that kind of thing. So I bought these so that I wouldn't be buying, you know, like the 100 pack that you just throw out plastic, you know? Since buying these, I have realized that there is an issue with these. The issue lies where you are basically how do I put this? It's like when you say, I don't want to use plastic straws, so you go out and buy reusable plastic straws, you're still buying plastic straws and you're still supporting a company that's making plastic. Do you see the problem? Since this, I have realized the better solution to something like this would be like a glass container. Buying glass and buying metal, which is recyclable, would be so much better. But I mean, if you have kids and you need sandwich bags, that kind of thing, I just wanted to let you guys know that these are out there and these are an option. The nice thing too is that you can buy these that are made of recycled plastic. I just wanted to make you aware of that whole issue. I also just wanted to throw in here that I do recognize that people are doing their part by purchasing reusable things. I didn't want to put that down in any way. I just wanted to note that there are better alternatives out there. So moving on, I actually have a Christmas present to share with you guys. So this is something that I was gifted, and I have a bunch of information on my screen that I just want to glance at to help share it with you. There is a company called 4Ocean, and they're based in Florida. It says on their website that they were founded after its owners Alex and Andrew took a dream surf trip to Bali, and when they arrived, they were just greeted with a beach that was full of plastic. Through every purchase on the 4Ocean site, you are funding professional cleanup crews to remove plastic from the ocean, and to date, they have removed 7,942,256 pounds of plastic out of the ocean. So if you need any of these things, grab them from 4Ocean, honestly. They state that for every product that you purchase from their site, they are able to pull 1 pound of plastic from the ocean. So I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I got. The first one, and again, I got these for Christmas, is this reusable bottle. It is pretty cool. It has this little carrying handle, and it also has this little bamboo lid. And then I'm sure you guys have seen, since like reusable straws became like the thing, the collapsible straws that like made their way to the internet. So this is one of those. So you just pull it out of the container and then it flips up into a straw. Very easy to carry with you, and I thought these were like the coolest thing ever. And then I also got a reusable bag that also fits in my purse. All of this stuff is made from recycled plastic. I even have this bracelet. The cord is made from 100% post-consumer plastic, and then the glass beads are made from 100% post-consumer glass bottles. So this was like the most amazing Christmas present. If you're going to buy this stuff anyways, like why not grab it from them, because it's such a great company. The last thing that I want to talk to you guys about today is razors. Yes, they are plastic. Even if you are, you know, you have your handle and you're just buying the little refills are still plastic. And this was something that I wasn't very aware of for a long time. One of my favorite vintage stores called Bohem, they did a collaboration with Well Kept, and they did a limited edition safety razors, both based in Canada. So they did a collaboration on a safety razor in a limited edition color, this color. And then they also got the packet, which is the safety razor blades. This comes in a pack of 20. And Well Kept is amazing. They have so many tutorials on shaving and how to actually use this razor, and I really wanted to just share this with you guys. I haven't used this yet, so it's going to take me a little while to get used to it, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it's going to be such a great transition in my life, because literally no plastic at all in this whole thing. Even when I'm purchasing the blades to replace, no plastic. I hope that through this video you maybe found some new ways to live a more sustainable life. If there is anything that you're looking to transition specifically, I would love for you to like leave it in the comments down below, and then maybe I can do some research and find an answer to you guys, and we can feature it in the next video. Other than that, make sure to check out ThredUp. Use my code Tasha for 30% off your first order. That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!